Nakakain na yung mga alaga ko. Yan si Hebe. Ito naman si Belly. Yan, paspas sila. Paspas yung babae ko. Ito, hindi kasi makakita. Bulag. Paspas. Hebe, slowly. Ito, kawawa. Hindi niya nakikita yung pagkain niya, pero dahil sanay na siya, nabulag yan. Well done. Finish. So clever. Ito here. Here. Got what here? Yan. Mamaya aagawan niya to. 1 minute and 24 seconds only. Finish niya yung food niya. Itong isa hindi pa tapos. Slow niyang kumain itong isa. Gutom kasi yung babae. Maybe still have finish it. Finish. The one, then I give Hebe. Bilis niya. Tingnan mo. Bravo. Magana tong babae ang kumain. Slowly lang. Belly, drink water. Drink your water first. Drink your water. Okay. Drink. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, finish. Finish. Okay, bye, Belly. No more, Hebe. Drink water. Drink your water now. Enough. No more lah. Bye. Bye. Bye.